Are you a plus-size person that wants to explore the big blue world with Nemo and friends? Let's go check out the seas. Welcome to Fat Tested Travel. I'm Jason Vaughn. I'm currently 5'8", 345 pounds, with a 52-inch waist, fat testing rides around the world. If you're in an ECV, you will have to transfer over into a wheelchair, and the ride is accommodating for most wheelchairs, electric or manual. This queue is one of my favorites. As you can tell, you're actually underwater and it changes where the railing seems to become covered in brine. The vehicles for this are called Clamobiles. They are the same vehicle that you will find on a Voyage of the Little Mermaid. It's an omnimover attraction that each clam can hold up to 3 guests and actually can move up to 2,200 guests per hour. Typically, this is one of the shortest rides in the park. Well, shortest wait times. The seas originally opened in 1986, and this iteration with Nemo opened in 2007. As you can tell, it's a bench seat, so you will not have any problems getting onto the seat. Now we're going to go through a point of view of the ride to show you the full ride as much as possible, because this is a dark ride, so it's going to be hard to see at times, but hopefully you can at least enjoy listening to what's happening, especially in the dark anglerfish part.
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Why the board explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh, let's go exploring.
We're trying to find.
Find who?
Oh. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something big and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Oh, now.
Swim away!
Peekaboo. Ah! Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener.
Stop fooling around!
Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Moose. More salt though, mate. Fish are friends for food. I wonder if clownfish taste. Nemo, why don't you provide for your bite? Oh.
For the part coming up, they use an effect called Pepper's Ghost. This allows them to project into the tank with the other fish. This is the same effect you see on the Haunted Mansion in the ballroom scene.
It's me.
If not the largest, one of the largest saltwater tanks in the world is found at the end of this ride. At 5.7 million gallons, it could actually hold the entire diameter of Spaceship Earth. So after the ride, make sure to spend some time exploring all of these beautiful sea creatures. From dolphins to manatees. Oh look, there's Dory, also known as a blue regal tang. This is also the building where you'll find Talking with Crush, or Turtle Talk. And the aquarium offers several different tours you can take. I hope you enjoyed this ride through. And if you're a plus-size person, remember that you can live life no matter your size. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this, and check out this playlist.